Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color names and shapes name. And first, color names. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his
Light
stomach,
blue
called
color.
it macaroni.
Which color is this? Light blue.
Yankee Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Brown color. Which color is this? Brown. Pink color.
And I went down to
Which color is this? Pink.
pudding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle keep it up.
Light green color. Which color is this?
Mind the music
Green.
and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Red color. Which color is this? Red. Circle, heart, triangle, star,
And there was
square,
Captain Washington and gentle folks about
pentagon.
him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Draw the shapes.
Yankee Doodle dandy,
Circle.
mind the music and the step,
Shape is
and with the
circle.
girls be handy.
Heart. The shape is heart. Triangle. The shape is triangle. Star. The shape is star.
Yankee Doodle
Square.
town riding
The shape
on a
is
pony,
square.
feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Pentagon. The shape is pentagon.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Let's start color. Circle. Orange color. The shape is circle. Red color. Heart. The shape is heart. Triangle.
Doodle went to town riding on a pony,
Light blue color.
feather
Triangle.
called it macaroni.
Yankee
The
Doodle
shape is triangle.
Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Star. Brown color. The shape is star.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there
Square.
we saw the men and boys as
Pink
thick as
color.
hasty pudding.
The shape is
Keep it up, Yankee Doodle
square.
mind the music and the step, and with the girls be
The shape
handy.
is square. Pentagon. Green color. Pentagon. Which shape is pentagon.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Repeat again.
Keep it
Circle,
up,
heart, triangle,
mind the
star,
music and the
square,
step, and with the girls be
pentagon.
handy.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then next video. Bye bye.